Hello everyone, welcome back to HVAC official channel. Have you ever wondered how large buildings, hotels, hospitals, shopping malls and office towers cool dozens or even hundreds of rooms using one HVAC system? The answer is VRF, which stands for Variable Refrigerant Flow. In today's video, we'll explain what a VRF system is, how it works, its main components, advantages, disadvantages, and where it is commonly used. Let's get started. What is a VRF system? A VRF, Variable Refrigerant Flow system, is an advanced air conditioning system that uses one or more outdoor units connected to multiple indoor units through refrigerant piping. The system automatically adjusts the amount of refrigerant flowing to each indoor unit according to the cooling or heating demand of each room. Unlike conventional air conditioners, a VRF system does not always operate at full capacity. Instead, it continuously changes its output to match the building's actual load, improving comfort and energy efficiency. How does a VRF system work? A VRF system works using the vapor compression refrigeration cycle, just like a split air conditioner. The major difference is that it uses inverter-driven compressors and intelligent electronic controls to regulate refrigerant flow. When a room requires cooling, the indoor unit sends a signal to the outdoor unit. The outdoor unit adjusts the compressor speed and supplies only the required amount of refrigerant to that specific indoor unit. If multiple rooms require cooling at the same time, the system distributes refrigerant according to each room's demand. This precise control helps maintain stable temperatures while reducing unnecessary energy consumption. Main components of a VRF system. A VRF system consists of several important components. Outdoor unit contains inverter compressor, condenser coil, condenser fan, and control system.
Indoor units include wall-mounted, cassette, ducted, floor-standing, or ceiling-concealed types.
Refrigerant copper piping is used for the refrigerant distribution. Electronic expansion valves, EEVs, control the refrigerant flow. Branch selector or refrigerant distribution boxes are used in some heat recovery systems. Temperature sensors monitor and control the system. Control PCB, printed circuit board, manages overall system functions. Wired or wireless controllers provide user interface for operation. All these components work together to deliver efficient and accurate temperature control. Types of VRF systems. There are two main types of VRF systems. 1. Heat pump VRF. This type operates in either cooling mode or heating mode for all indoor units at the same time. For example, all rooms can cool together or all rooms can heat together, but they cannot do both simultaneously. 2. Heat recovery VRF. A heat recovery VRF system allows some rooms to cool while other rooms heat at the same time. It transfers heat from areas requiring cooling to areas requiring heating, making it highly energy efficient in buildings with different comfort requirements. Advantages of VRF systems. VRF systems offer several benefits. Excellent energy efficiency due to inverter compressor technology. Individual temperature control for each room or zone. Quiet operation. Flexible installation with multiple indoor unit options. Reduced operating costs when properly designed and maintained. Suitable for large and multi-room buildings. Advanced control and monitoring features through central controllers or building management systems, BMS. Disadvantages of VRF systems. Despite their advantages, VRF systems also have some limitations. Higher initial purchase and installation cost. Installation requires trained and experienced technicians. System design is more complex than standard split AC systems. Repairs and spare parts may be more expensive. Regular maintenance is essential for reliable performance. Where are VRF systems used? VRF systems are commonly installed in hotels, hospitals, office buildings, shopping malls, schools and universities, luxury homes and villas, commercial buildings, multi-story apartments. They are ideal for buildings where different rooms require independent temperature control. VRF versus split AC. Many beginners ask whether VRF is the same as a split AC. The answer is no. A standard split AC usually connects one outdoor unit to one indoor unit, or in multi-split systems, a limited number of indoor units. A VRF system can connect many indoor units to one or more outdoor units and continuously adjusts refrigerant flow based on the cooling or heating demand of each zone. This provides greater flexibility and typically better energy efficiency in larger buildings. Conclusion. Let's quickly recap. VRF stands for Variable Refrigerant Flow. It is an advanced HVAC system that uses inverter-driven compressors and intelligent controls to deliver the required amount of refrigerant to each indoor unit. VRF systems are highly energy efficient, provide individual room temperature control, operate quietly, and are widely used in commercial buildings, hotels, hospitals, offices, and luxury homes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to HVAC Official Channel.